Take care of your health at home. Taking care of your health at home is essential, especially during times when access to medical facilities may be limited or when you simply want to maintain your well-being. Here are some tips to help you take care of your health at home. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Eat a balanced diet. Ensure that your meals consist of a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar or salt intake. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activities that suit your fitness level and preferences. You can try home workouts, yoga, dancing, or simply going for a walk or run in your neighborhood. Regular exercise helps improve cardiovascular health, strength, flexibility, and mental well-being. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a comfortable sleep environment, and practice relaxation techniques before bed, such as reading or taking a warm bath. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces, such as doorknobs, light switches, and countertops. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when coughing or sneezing. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing deep breathing exercises, meditation, or engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Maintain social connections through virtual means or phone calls to combat feelings of isolation. Take care of your mental health. Prioritize self-care activities that promote mental well-being, such as practicing mindfulness, journaling, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Seek professional help if you experience persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or other mental health concerns. Stay up to date with vaccinations. Ensure that you and your family members are up to date with recommended vaccinations to protect against preventable diseases. Consult with your healthcare provider about the appropriate immunizations for your age and health condition. Monitor your health. Regularly check your vital signs, such as blood pressure, temperature, and heart rate, if you have the necessary equipment. Be aware of any changes in your health or any new symptoms that may require medical attention. Follow medical advice and prescriptions. If you have any existing health conditions or are on medication, make sure to follow your healthcare provider's advice and take prescribed medications as directed. Consult with your doctor through telemedicine or virtual appointments if needed. Stay informed. Stay updated on health guidelines and recommendations provided by reliable sources, such as the World Health Organization, WHO, or your local health authorities. Be cautious of misinformation and rely on credible sources for accurate health information. Remember, while taking care of your health at home is important, it's also crucial to seek medical attention when necessary. If you have any concerns about your health or experience severe symptoms, reach out to a healthcare professional for guidance and assistance. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.